This is episode 9 of trying to find the best gaming keyboard, and today I think we might have found it. This is the new Logitech Pro X60 gaming keyboard, and yeah, this thing is beautiful. And it's also super clicky. It comes with a super nice carrying case, 2 hard shell carrying case, super durable. My favorite features is if you look, you see the little shininess here? It's because it is an aluminum frame keyboard. I mean, look at those RGBs. It's clean as hell, boy. You can see it all. So yeah, I'm gonna give this keyboard a 4.5 out of 5. It would be a 5 if it had the arrow keys over here. Just the little, little arrow keys. And if it was all white. If I give this an all white, this perfect keyboard. Absolutely perfect. Absolutely perfect. I cannot wait to test this and show you guys how this keyboard works.